e mālama na kino care for all of your bodies. In Hawaiian healing, we understand that we are not just physical body. We are kino, yes, the physical, but also kapo'o, the mind. Also the gut, the naʻau, that emotional wisdom. And we are uhane, or spirit. None of these are separate. They are one. And my cool Aunty Mahi shared that the reason for illness or disharmony in our lives is when we have trouble in any one of these bodies. The solution, Kupono na lokahi, ho'oponopono. Stand in the peace of sacred unity. I'm Kuanjina Ivalani Nalawai, and this is Ho'omana Spa. We love to gather here with people from all over the world to share teachings just like this of Lomi Lomi, Ho'oponopono, Aloha Spirit. Body workers, energy workers, healers gather here to not only receive these teachings, but to change their lives, to find themselves in that piece of unity with all of their bodies. Now let's talk about that lokahi. When we break a bone, we go to the doctor. No one questions it. But when we're carrying invisible wounds like grief, trauma, depression, spiritual disconnect, we're often expected to keep functioning, to hold it together. And somewhere along the way, we learned that asking for help with pain that no one else can see might mean that something is really, really wrong with you. After the Maui fires, I witnessed this firsthand. The mental health tent was nearly empty. The pain for people was just too raw and too wordless to walk through that tent. But the Lomi tent was full with a line all the way out. Hands on the bodies, breath returning, tears releasing. Deep transformation was happening without a single word. Touch reached what words could not. Not because the emotional and the mental weren't there, they were, but because the body holds everything. And sometimes healing must begin exactly where the pain lives. Lomi Lomi has always been present for this. It works with all of the bodies, the physical, yes, but also with the emotional, spiritual, mental, and our spiritual bodies. It moves through these all at the same time. 4 bodies held within the hand, honored in the same breath. And there's no shame in needing to care for every part of you, to ask for the help that you need, even if it just starts on the body. All the bodies deserve to be seen, and all of the bodies deserve to heal. If you want to know more about how to bring more peace to all of the bodies, we practice this right here at Ho'omana. We have a retreat coming up. It's called the Summer Immersion, and we'll be diving deep into teachings of Ho'oponopono. We'll be working with Hawaiian pregnancy massage, seated lomi, Hawaiian back walking, which we call kualua, which is mat work. We will be doing a full body foundational Lomi Lomi sequence that everything builds upon, and even adding in hot stones. If this sounds like something that you feel called to, write Lomi in the comments below. We would love to see you here for one of our live retreats. I look forward to seeing you there. Write Lomi in the comments below. Ahui ho, everyone.